6 healing sounds is an ancient Taoist practice using sound, color, and movement to restore and balance the major systems of the body. The first element is the metal element for the lungs. So bring your hands up towards the lungs. Using your inner vision, scanning through the lungs for any stagnant qi or any sadness or depression. The sound that we use to help to release that stagnant qi is S sound. And the color of qi that we're going to bring in to heal the lungs is silver white. So our hand movement, bringing our hands above the head, palms facing upward. Relax your shoulders. Inhale. Push up slightly, and the sound is Relax for a moment as you inhale. Second time, the sound. Third time, relax, inhale. Then push up slightly. Now imagine gathering silvery white qi, bringing that down into your lungs and filling your lungs. After the metal element is the water element, the kidneys. So bring your hands around to the lower back, to the ribs of the lower back. Relax your shoulders. Use your inner vision, scanning through your kidneys. Notice any stagnant qi or any fear. The sound that we use to help to release the stagnant qi is chew, C-H-E-W or C-H-O-O. The sound coming from the front of the mouth, chew. So let's do our hand movement together. Bring your hands around in front of the knees, clasp your fingers together, rounding the back, and then inhale. And now the sound, chew. Relax as you inhale. Sound again, chew. One more time, inhale. And the sound, chew. The color we want to gather for the kidneys is dark blue. So imagine you're gathering dark blue qi, the color of deep ocean blue, and bring that into your kidneys. Relax your shoulders and filling your kidneys with this dark blue, deep ocean blue. After the water element is the wood element, the liver. Bring your hands around to the lower right ribs. Gently place them on the ribs. Scanning through the liver for any stagnant qi or any anger. The sound that we use to help to release the stagnant qi is shh, S-H, shh. The color of qi that we'll be bringing in to help to heal the liver is green, the green of fresh new growth. So let's do our hand movement. Bringing the hands above the head, interlace your fingers. Inhale, and now we're going to tilt to your left. So you're opening up the right side where the liver is. Inhale again, and the sound is relax as you inhale. Tilt to the left. One more time, inhale. Tilt. Now gather green colored qi. Bring that down into the liver, filling your liver. Beautiful green of fresh new growth. After the wood element is the fire element, the heart. So let's bring our hands up to the sternum. We're scanning through the heart for any stagnant qi or any impatience. The sound that we use to release the stagnant qi from the heart is ha, H-A-W, ha. And the color that we're going to bring in to help to heal the heart is red. So let's do our hand movement together, bringing the hands above the head, interlace your fingers. Inhale, this time we'll tilt to the right. Tilting to the right. And the sound is relax as you inhale. Tilt to your right. Third time, inhale. Tilt. Now gathering red colored qi, bring that on into the heart, filling your heart with beautiful red. After the fire element is the earth element, the stomach and spleen. So bring your hands down to the left lower ribs. Scanning through the stomach and spleen for any stagnant chi. Or for any worry. The sound that we use to help to release the stagnant chi from the spleen and stomach is Hu, W-H-O. The sound is made from the deep in the back of the throat. Hu. Our hand movement, let's begin. Bring our hands around to the sides and then forward, and bring your fingertips in underneath the left ribs, just tucking underneath the left ribs. Now we're going to lean forward just slightly. Inhale. And now the sound is relax as you inhale. Second time. Third time inhale. The color we're going to gather is golden yellow. Gathering golden yellow color chi and bring that into the left ribs, left lower ribs of the stomach and spleen. Beautiful golden yellow, the fall golden yellow colors. Our sixth healing sound is for the endocrine system or hormone-producing glands. So now widen your feet slightly apart, soles of the feet still on the ground. Bring your hands to the sides, and we're going to gather purple-violet colored chi. Bend the elbows and bring that purple-violet down through the body as we're now going to make the sound. That sound is He, H-E. Gathering purple violet. And the sound again is one more time, gather the purple violet. Inhale. And as we're exhaling the sound, and then just relax and bring your feet back to shoulder width apart.